Congratulations on earning your real estate license. This is a major achievement and the beginning of an exciting new chapter in your career. Today, I'm breaking down your first 30, 60, and 90 days as a brand new agent so you know exactly how to focus on and how to build real momentum right from the start. Let's dive in. Your first month is all about getting set up, learning the ropes, and creating structure. Start by getting comfortable with the basic tools your brokerage uses: email, CRM, MLS access, document software, and any onboarding systems. You don't need to master everything, but you should know your way around. Next, choose your daily schedule. A simple structure works great. 1 hour for learning, 1 to 2 hours for lead generation, 30 minutes for follow-up, time for meetings, training, and practice scripts. This is also when you begin market research. Look at current listings, study sold properties, and pay attention to pricing trends in your area. Another key step: start talking to people. You don't need to sell. Just let friends, family, and colleagues know you're officially licensed and excited to help. And finally, commit to basic training. Attend office meetings, shadow open houses when possible, and learn how to write a simple CMA or prepare for a showing. Your goal for the first 30 days? Build confidence with the basics and create consistent habits. By month 2, it's time to apply what you've learned. This is where you shift from learning to doing. Start practicing real conversations, buyer consultations, seller introductions, and even role-play scenarios. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. You should also begin hosting or co-hosting open houses because they help you meet real buyers face-to-face. Then, begin building your online presence. This means updating your photo, writing a simple bio, and posting helpful real estate tips a couple of times per week. Keep up with daily lead generation activities, outreach, follow-ups, handwritten notes, or connecting with local professionals like lenders and inspectors. Your goal for the first 60 days? Start creating conversations that lead to real clients. By the time you reach 90 days, you should feel more confident. Now it's time to build real momentum. This is where consistency begins to pay off. Focus on developing a simple marketing system, something you can repeat weekly, posting educational content, sending a short weekly email, following up with leads, attending community or networking events. You should also start practicing transaction steps even if you don't have clients yet. This could mean reviewing sample contracts, mock writing offers, or walking through a buyer journey from start to finish. If you've picked up your first clients by now, amazing. Stay organized, communicate clearly, and ask your mentor or broker questions whenever you need help. And remember, the agents who succeed long-term are the ones who show up every day, stay curious, and keep learning. Your goal for your first 90 days? Build confidence, create systems, and start serving your first clients with professionalism and care. The first 30, 60, and 90 days of your real estate career set the tone for everything that follows. If you stay consistent, keep practicing, and focus on building connections, you'll be amazed at how quickly you grow. You've already taken the biggest step by getting licensed. Now it's time to build your future one day at a time. Start your real estate journey by visiting RealEstateU.com.